Come on out. He's just smiling. Come on. Are you going to get out of there? That's not usually how he does it. This is not how he does it. Well. Come on. He does it every day now. Now watch this. He has this down to an art. I've seen him do it several times. He does it exactly the same way every time. Now watch how slow he is right here. Now he's going to be real cautious about getting it. Now he's going to feel this way real careful.